Okay. So, recap of last session is Sniper 155 Blue Crew Camp. Fastest pole position for tomorrow's race, Aljun Patricio Mbile. Second fastest, no? Ito yung heartbreak, no? Siya yung fastest for the most of the session, but nakuha sa kanya is Kevin Gacal, no? Third is Lester Andrade. Fourth, Christian Mirasol. Fifth is Justin Pagar. Sixth is Noel Acoba. And seventh, we have Harold Vanan. Eighth is Junjun Banse. Ninth is Vincent Opinion. And 10th fastest is Rolando Solatre. So yun po yung good position sila tomorrow for the qualifying races. So yun po yung qualifying time trial. And then bukas may qualifying race po sila. On track now, we have the first batch of the Mio Aerox Blue Crew one make race. Ito naman po, provided na talaga to ng mga bikes ng Yamaha Philippines, no? So these are selected via Yamaha, and these are still Yamaha customers and enthusiasts, no? So ang difference po kanina, yung dalawang groups kanina, those are official Y Club members. Ito po mga one week Yamaha customers po and enthusiasts, not necessarily Y Club members. But ito rin pong mga enthusiasts na to is binigyan din po sila ng I think some clinic by Yamaha. So ngayon po marami pong batch. We have 7 riders and then later on we have another batch for this race. So hinati lang po yung mga riders. So we have 7 riders now. So still 20 minutes session. So far the fastest is John Alexis Restua on the Mio Aerox. All of these are Mio Aerox provided by Yamaha Philippines on Beast tires, I think. Of course, second is RJ Renz Lopez Restua, and then third is Jester Padilla Serrano. Fourth is Mac Lennox Sousa Gabres. Fifth is Rigner Barurela Tenorio. Sixth is Timothy Martin Pineda. And seventh fastest so far, Francis Buebonto. All of these, of course, are still members of the Aerox Club of the Philippines. Hindi lang sila kasama doon sa mga teams kanina, no? Again, these are all using Mio Aerox. Or commonly known as yung maxi scooters in some racing communities. So ito yung unang scooter na parang big bike, no? The Mio Aerox is bigger wheel sizes and it's a bit heavier, so ang handling niya is iba, no? And it takes quite a skill to make them go around fast sa racetrack kamukha nito. So on screen is bike number 7. That's Ringer, that's Tenorio on the screen. Going to the first corner. Tuyo po ngayon ang ating racetrack. As you can see, we have the IR soft barriers protecting everybody from the first 10. Those are FIM spec standard soft barriers. It has saved I think a minimum of 4 major crashes already in less than a year here at Tarlac. Everybody just was able to walk away from those big crashes. Let's see if we can find bike number 5. So again, these are Yamaha Mio Aerox. Now, if you buy them, these are 155cc, and normally they produce stock form 15.4 PS, no? And ang tire size nila, as I said, malaki, 110 sa harap, 140 sa likod. So, kumbaga, kung may tinatawag na big bike na automatic, ito yon. So, it's not only good for longer rides because of the bigger wheels, but nakita nyo rin, masarap iliko sa racetrack. Oh, I think that's bike number 5 on screen. Yes, we have bike number 5 on screen. John Alexis Restua. So far, the fastest in this 20-minute qualifying session. So, mukhang with this group, with 7 bikes, mas madaling makakakuha ng butas sa mga riders natin na makapag-set ng fastest lap na walang makakaharang sa kanila. There you go. That's bike number 5, John Alexis Restua. O, diba? Beginner lang yan, ha? So, a few more races. Sabi nga namin kayo ni Sir Hansel, itong mga to, pwede na mag-join sa aming mga national, sa club races or even sa nationals. Medyo alam na nila ang discipline and the correct form. Yan, tinuruan na sila lahat ni Coach Joey Storm Rivero. And like we said kanina, pampered na itong mga to after the training in Carmona. Immediately nilipad sila sa Cebu, sa Card Zone, and now they're back here in Luzon, in Tarlac, a new racetrack again. So talagang talagang naahasa itong mga rider na to. After just a few events under the Blue Crew camp, ang kanilang jump sa experience ang laki. Kumbaga, deserving yung name na camp, no? Kasi parang talaga sila, they really learned a lot. Yan, so you can see itong mga Mio Aerox na to, entering a corner, magandang mag-brake kasi all of them have hydraulic disc brakes, no? Medyo malaki, 230mm. That's why kahit malaki ang gulong, kayang-kayang ihinto. So these bikes are, aside from the tires, I think is 90% is stock. So, yan po ang versatility ng Mio Aerox. Not only can you enjoy them on the road for your daily long ride, touring, and as you can see on the screen now, even track days and eventually big time racing like what we are having this weekend. Yan po, tingnan niyo po ang form ng ating bike number 5, John Alexis Restua. You wouldn't believe na just a few months ago before the Blue Crew camp, complete beginner lang to. Look how he turns. Look at his body position. Yan. Konting yuko na lang sa straight. Yeah. And medyo swabe na again. These are all beginner riders, no? Kaya po hindi lahat naka full racing suit pa. But eventually, no? These riders will invest in the proper gears kasi they will know that they are faster now. So they will invest in proper safety gears. Yan, ayan na, lumulusot na. So even in overtaking, naturuan na po sila ni Coach Joey Storm Rivero. Kita nyo, ang linis nilang maglusutan. Here you go, bike number 5 going on the inside. Yes. Di pa po ito karera. This is just a qualifying session. Each rider is just trying their best to set the fastest time. That's bike number 5, John Alexis Restua on your screen. Yan po. This is a beginner rider pa lang. And dito kami natutuwa sa camp na to. Marami na pong mga riders na ganyan na. This one, sino naman to? This I think bike number 6. Maybe we can focus on each riders during this time trial. Let's give them their moment of glory. So this is bike number 4, second fastest, RJ Renz Lopez Restua. Yan po, naka-green siya. So he's the one going after bike number 5 for the fastest lap. Okay, this is bike number 6, Francis Bonto. Yan. Slowly but surely, and more importantly, safely. No? Tingnan niyo po si bike number 5. Talagang pro na ang dating. So, ilang kare, baka by tomorrow, iba ng form nito. Look at that. And again, this is the product of this Blue Crew Camp. Ilang sessions pa lang. At on the inside racing side naman po, yun po, para po lahat dun sa mga nagra-ride sa Marilaki on stock bikes. Baka isipin nyo po, hindi pwede sa racetrack ang stock bike. Ito po, tingnan nyo po, 95% stock with the proper riding skills and the proper mindset. Masarap din pong iikot ang stock bike, and definitely mas masarap siyang iikot sa racetrack na close to other traffic kasi mas safe. Okay, so this is bike number 4, RJ Renz Lopez Restua. Again, trying to get the fastest time from bike number 5. This is bike number 3, Jester Padilla Serrano. Okay, para po sa mga nanonood, no, sa mga fans, don't forget to like and share. Again, we are live stream on multiple pages. Of course, Yamaha pages, and of course, Inside Racing pages. So please feel free to comment, like, and share this live stream para po maraming makaalam na meron pong ganitong programa ang Yamaha. Kasi po baka meron po sa iba pa sa inyo dyan na nagdi-dream maging racer. Meron pong programa dito sa Pilipinas, ang Yamaha Blue Crew Camp. And if you are Yamaha customers of a Sniper or a Mio Aerox, kumbaga one step away yung dream nyo sa pagiging professional racer. And this is the first step. Being introduced by Yamaha this year sa Pilipinas. No? And yan po mga riders na nakikita nyo sa screen, mga beginner riders lang po yan. And after a few training and guidance by Yamaha, ayan na po ang kanilang mga form. So, sa lahat po sa inyo dyan, like and share, and para po, pakita nyo po sa inyong mga nanay, girlfriend, how safe it is. Baka natatakot kayo magpaalam to join these kinds of events. Like and share nyo po sa kanila how wonderful this lifestyle can be, this sport can be. More fulfilling. Hindi lang po para sa mga hardcore racers, ang road racing, yung mga fun events like this Blue Crew, I think will be a better fit for more enthusiast riders. Ayan, I saw the checkered flag, so we're just waiting the last riders to cross the finish line before we display the final qualifying result of this batch 1 of the Mio Aerox Blue Crew one-make race. Actually, ito mga Blue Crew riders, lamang na when the national races nagpunta rito kasi may additional experience na sila from this Blue Crew camp. That's, I think, tignan natin, nagkakaroon kaya uli ng last minute surprise na maagaw ang sa fastest rider ang pole position. Let's see. On your screen, that's bike number 5, John Alexis Restua. So far, fastest, but let's wait for the final result. Kanina kasi, last 2 laps na yata nakuha yung fastest lap. Okay. Nope, he was able to retain pole position. Congratulations, John Alexis Restua. Pole position. Fastest so far in this batch 1. Yeah, Mio Aerox Blue Crew race of one make with a 1 minute 24 seconds, 0.675. Followed by RJ Renz Lopez Restua with a big gap, nearly 2 seconds. And then Jester Padilla Serrano, then MC Lennox Sousa Gabres, Timothy Martin Pineda in 5th. 6th is Rigner Baruela Tenorio, and 7th fastest is Francis Bueno Bonto. So again, ito pong is just batch 1, and these are all beginner riders. And then you say beginner riders, wala po itong track record, sinala po ito ng Yamaha. Yung mga nag-apply po na may track record, kahit po beginner kayo this year, hindi po yata pwede kasi nga these are purely for the aspiring beginner riders. Yan.